Welcome to ABC Service, your partner in ensuring fast and reliable internet connectivity for your business.
In today's fast-paced digital world, we understand that a seamless online experience is crucial for the success of your organization.
That's why we're excited to introduce our quality full fiber business broadband options. Our Fibre broadband utilizes cutting-edge fiber optic cables to transmit data, offering unparalleled speed and reliability.
Say goodbye to lagging connections and hello to a smoother online experience for your business operations.
Whether it's streaming high-definition video, conducting crucial video conferences, or transferring large volumes of data, our full fiber business broadband is designed to meet the diverse needs of your organization.
At ABC Service, we understand that every business is unique.
That's why we offer a range of business fiber broadband packages with different speeds to choose from. Tailor your internet plan to match the specific requirements of your operations.
Ready to elevate your business connectivity? Contact ABC Service today to learn more about our full fiber business broadband options.
Our dedicated team is here to guide you through the process and help you choose the perfect plan for your business. ABC Service, connecting businesses with the speed of tomorrow. And remember, SoGEA is available for those unable to get FTTP. Don't let connectivity barriers hold your business back. Choose ABC Service for a faster, reliable, and local internet experience.